Hey, welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of HTML that often works behind the scenes, the meta tag. Stick around because understanding this little tag can significantly impact your website's performance and appearance. Have you ever wondered how search engines find and display your website? Or how social media platforms fetch information when you share a link? It all starts with the meta tag. The meta tag is a special tag in HTML used to provide metadata about the HTML document. Metadata includes information like character encoding, page description, keywords, and more. Let's start with the basics. Explore the meta charset equals UTF-8 tag, which defines the character encoding for your document. UTF-8 is widely used for its compatibility with various characters. In the age of mobile devices, the viewport meta tag, meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0, is crucial. It ensures your website is responsive and looks good on different screen sizes. Discover how to set the page title, and description, meta name equals description content equals your page description here. These elements play a key role in search engine results and user experience. While not as critical as it once was, the meta name equals keywords content equals your keywords here tag can still be useful for search engines to understand the main topics of your page. Dive deeper into the viewport meta tag and how it impacts the layout of your web page on various devices. Learn about attributes like width, initial scale, and user scalable. Explore the Open Graph protocol with meta tags like meta property equals OG, title content equals your title, and meta property equals OG, description content equals your description. These tags control how your content appears when shared on platforms like Facebook. Briefly touch on the favicon, the small icon that appears in the browser tab. Use link rel equals icon ref equals favicon.ico type equals image/xicon to set your website's favicon. There you have it, the meta tag in HTML. Understanding and using these tags not only improves your website's visibility, but also enhances the overall user experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, comment, and share. Happy web development!